the yellow top battery, I have that at home. It's charging on the optimal battery charger, specifically for this type, gel type battery. The yellow top is in my house charging on the correct charger. This is the spare new red top I had. I was afraid yesterday when my baby cakes and I were traveling that the alternator was not working. It was making a weird noise, and I came home, well, not home, but I made it to the garage with no headlights at night, and I think it was 11 volts the yellow top had, and that was it. No matter what I did outside with the booster, it didn't bring it back up from the 11.30 something volts. So that's why I opted to put in the new spare red one, as the yellow top is in my house charging. That's it. This is over. I've been out here. Now I see some liquid. I'll check that out after the video. But I've been out here with this today for over 4 hours. I completely rewired. Notice the gauge. I completely rewired the electric fuel pump switch, ran it through the firewall, through the grommet. It's safe, perfectly done, absolutely correct at this point. And so far so good. I thank God. Everything is God, straight up and down. And look, anybody that know me, they'll say, yeah, for years, for a decade and change, Chris has always said, so far so good, thank God, because he's the master, he's the controller. Nothing happens without God. That's it. Hopefully my next video, one of the 3 next newer videos, will be with this car finally at the track. Because right now, as is, fuel pressure does not drop under acceleration since I wired the fuel pump directly to the battery, opposed to into the factory fuse box of the Regal, how it's been for almost 11 years from day one, which I appreciated, because Tyrone and the other Tyrone, the Tyrone Taylor calls Wonder Boy, those cats got my car running. I'm telling you, in the beginning, with all the garages and shops around here, I got screwed. The ones that I went to. Tyrone and Tyrone / Wonder Boy, those 2 cats, they my boys. You know, they treated me like a baby, and I will continue to do the same for them. God bless both you cats' family. That's about it. I'm just excited and happy that the alternator is charging correctly. It's just the yellow top. It was a short. I had an electrical ignition short that caused the battery to drain in the first place. So far so good. Thank God. Peace and love. Wait, you know what? I want to end this without that exhaust leak. Tick, tick, tick. I want to end it right here with some of that right there. Like Scotty G said when he was at PG Performance in Brooklyn, I said, Scotty, why is my motor sounding like that? I actually took the car back to PG Performance at the time. This is around 1997. Took it back to him because it was chopping. And a few of the guys that I believed at the time knew about cars that was in the hood, bro, you better take that back. Something's wrong with that motor. It's knocking. I went, oh, damn. Darn, the exhaust fumes are burning my eyes. Anyways, Scotty was working on a black Camaro or Firebird, don't know what it was, but that shit was high performance. It sounded nice. It was idling, I think, at 1,200 RPM at idle. So Scotty was under the hood of that. I said, Scotty, I pulled my Regal up to his garage entrance at PG Performance at the time. I said, Scotty, why is the motor knocking like that? What's going on? Scotty looked at me as though I was retarded, and Scotty said, it's the cam. You never had a high performance motor before, have you? Hey, hey! God bless you, Scotty, and your entire family, especially your little boy. much respect, much love, and sincere rest in peace regarding your father. I love him. I love you, man. Peace and love. I thank you all, especially Dominic. I'm gonna stop by your shop again, Dominic. I already saw you twice. I'm gonna see you again soon. I had to get that fly off my elbow. That's why I went like that. But anyway, 14 volts. Tick tock, you don't stop. I'm gonna drink my green tea, take this baby out on the highway and call it a day. God bless. I appreciate every one of you subscribers. And my man with the Oldsmobile, I see you, man. He stopped me on what was it, Pennsylvania, when I was coming from my baby girls. I think I had my brother with me, but much love, man. I can't remember the beginning of your name on the YouTube, something Oldsmobile, but it's something Olds, O-L-D. You know, man, you know who you are. God bless you and your family, man. I'm gonna give you an appropriate shout out when I upload this video and see your name because you commented on one of my recent videos. Oh, and in closing, all due respect, you guys that don't like my videos, that's fantastic. No one likes everything. I understand that. I've seen some videos that were immaculate. I mean, perfect videos. And it has like 50 dislikes. You guys are something else. Peace and love. And my point is, when you hit the down thumb for you dislike it, can you haul off, as they say down south, and add a comment as to why you don't like it? And the next video just might be much better. Better designed for you. And I'm being real. I keep it real. Frighteningly real. Peace and love. Those of you who like my videos, I love you, man. Those who dislike my videos, I love you, man. God bless. Peace.